doing today, dear?
Leave me alone. Stepping in a lot of dog poop around the camper. That's what we're doing today.
We got our tarp over there. It's for like the Florida gun show.
This is what happens when you buy a Billboard tarp. So, thankfully the backside's black, so we'll just stick that out and we won't have to look at, you know, gun show advertisement on the side of our trailer every time we come home.
Yep. So we're going to take and start putting rivets on the side of the camper here. Not rivets, but these snaps. We got these on Amazon, so I'm gonna start putting these on the side. We're gonna do them every foot, and then Rachel's gonna start on putting them on the canvas over here, and hopefully we'll have everything line up.
Not very well. There we go. There's that. I think I need a bigger hole.
And once you get that on, then you can put the little crimper thing in there. And voila. One snap, two snap, red snap, blue snap. All right. Now 70 feet more.
As you can see, we measured every foot, put new snaps in along the way. There was a few spots that required us to get out the drill.
There's something delicious going on in here.
So we continued on wrapping the billboard as the skirting around the RV. If you haven't already, take this time to go ahead and hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications.
Alright, so now that we got the front side of the RV done, we're going to go and take the leftover piece from this, and we're going to start on the back side. So we have somebody watching us while we do the work.
That's the manager.
We have the managers. We have the Katie manager and the Jack manager.
He's just the assistant manager.
He's the assistant to the manager. He's the Dwight of the camper.
Yes.
So we continued working throughout the day and getting the rest of the skirting put on. We eventually got it all done, and it made a huge difference on how the camper heated up in the cold nights. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also check out these other videos we got, and stay tuned as we do updates for our house project.